You are watching Quick Review. In this episode of Quick Review, we're talking about the top 5 best smart water heaters of 2021. Let's get started with the list. At number 5. CO Green Tankless Water Heater. CO Green is a very popular brand among consumers. For instance, the model SIO18 is a bundle of functions designed for both residential and commercial purposes. CO provides water heaters that are safe, efficient, and just made to make life easier. The electric tankless hot water heater is capable of producing pressure and thereby promoting uniformity in the electric system. This is of value because it will be quite effective for a large house, businesses, offices, hospitals, etc., as 4.5 gallons of hot water will be sufficient for them. The device is designed for hybrid applications, which allows it to be used to upgrade existing tankless water heaters and boilers. You can integrate the unit into a traditional gas or electric tank heater, thus improving your tankless water heater and conserving energy in the process. At number 4. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. Stiebel Eltron Tempra is a smooth and energy-efficient tankless machine. The device looks attractive in appearance and also solves the issue of waste of space. The small electric water heater has a silent mode which shuts down the heating operation without emitting any loud noise. Flow control technology invented by Stiebel Eltron uses digital technology to maintain the perfect water temperature to ensure comfort throughout. It supplies high, steady heat even at peak usage. It doesn't waste much energy at all. Advanced temperature control mechanisms ensure the water is always hot and warm for immediate use. Stiebel Eltron's heating systems have the highest levels of comfort and reliability. At number 3. ES4 Tronic 3000. The Bosch Tronic 3000 T-point-of-use electric mini tanks are available in 3 small sizes. They can be wall-hung or mounted on the floor. They fit easily under a sink and look good when installed in the kitchen. They also blend in well with existing decor in an area visible to visitors. By using a cold water line and connecting the supply to the sink, the hot water will be delivered to the sink's faucet. Ideal for a variety of different locations. This 2.5-gallon capacity hot water heater fits under your kitchen sink and provides the convenience of instant hot water in a small, space-efficient package. With an external dial of adjustment, you can determine the temperature range, and the temperature relief valve assures a safer heating experience. At number 2. EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Tankless electric water heaters are preferred because they are easy to install and have a minimal maintenance requirement. Electric heating provides a warmer water source than alternative energy storage systems, enabling faster, better heat-up times. The EcoSmart Eco 11 Tankless is able to adjust the water heat along with functioning very rapidly and helping you control the temperature of the water. If you are looking for an alternative water heater that is eco-friendly and efficient, the EcoSmart Eco 11 is one to consider. It provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute based on the hot water temperature in the incoming supply. You'll enjoy consistent and available hot water, which leads to a significant reduction of domestic energy waste. Its tankless design makes the effects of its heaters more noticeable than normal heating elements. At number 1. Rinnai V65IN Tankless Water Heater. This is a suitable appliance for small or mobile homes because this appliance can help serve 3 to 4 fixtures in the same. V65IN is a cost-effective water heater with a characteristic of high efficiency, comfort, and value. The improved design will allow for achieving 6.5 gallons of heating water per minute during hot weather. Rinnai tankless water heaters with ThermaCirc 360 technology give you instant hot water faster than the old technology. It is a great investment now and in the future for a reliable company with sustainability and reliability. Another plus of this appliance is that it has scale detection to stop it from overheating because of mineral deposits accumulated. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.